Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox my personal favorite, which is this one, the 71 Lamborghini Miura SP. So this looks absolutely gorgeous inside the packaging. So this is from the 70s versus 90s series. I mean, honestly, it looks so beautiful inside the packaging with the cherry red paint job along with the golden trim. So it looks so awesome. So I really want to open this right now. Let's do it. Okay. Okay. So here is the casting itself. So out of the box, the casting looks so gorgeous, honestly. So I don't have much to complain at this point. Maybe little bit of paint job issue, like paint bubbling here. You can see a little bit. The interior looks so nice. It has some scratches on the windshield. Okay, tolerable. Okay, so I'm really happy they did headlight details here. So logo is not really that good, but the logo placement is really nice. Okay, it has tail light detail as well. So this is the exact reason why I bought this particular casting, because I do have this exact Miura in from the vintage series which we unboxed, I think around 3 or 4 months back in our channel. So you can see that in my Lamborghini playlist also. So this is exactly the same casting, but it's with just a different paint job, that's it. So and we did unbox this what is that one, Hot Wheels ID Lamborghini Miura, that golden color one, that is also exactly the same. So it has the grill details here, which is really nice. So you can see the baritone logo here. So they actually designed Miura. So if you guys are wondering, that's the reason, all these Miuras have this baritone logo. Okay, so the body is fully metal, and the chassis and all these are actually, side skirts and everything, these are plastic. Okay, that is really nice to know. Okay, this is a track specific car. I really hope this doesn't disappoint me. Okay, but the casting looks absolutely gorgeous, and this will really pop if you keep it in any showcase. And okay, so this part here, this is also plastic, it's not metal. I really wish they could have gone with metal till here. Maybe after that, here only the chassis alone plastic, but they did everything plastic, down below. So but it looks absolutely gorgeous. Okay, let's weigh this car. Actually, it feels very light, maybe around 28-27 grams. Let's see. 28 grams. Okay, I'm really happy that I said it right. Sorry, I guessed it right. Okay, so one more thing. So the hood detail here, this is actually paint. This is not any embossing or engraving or anything like that, or separate plastic piece here like you saw in the GTD. It's just paint. Okay, let's do a roll test now. Okay, let's do our second try. Okay, the rear wheel wobbles a lot. It's disappointing. Front wheel also wobbles a lot. Doesn't even reach. No man, it's a track specific car and it didn't even reach, past the halfway. Okay, that is really disappointing. See, and even I cleaned this track before I started recording this video, but no, it doesn't matter if I wing it or if I keep it steady like this, nothing is working. It's not moving past this particular area. Okay, that is really disappointing. But as a Lamborghini fan of, myself, so I personally love this casting because I'm not going to play with it. I'll just keep it in showcase, or in a box and keep it somewhere safe. So maybe take it time to time and just admire the details on it. So okay, when it comes to admiring details, and I will go for other brands like Tomica or even Majority in that case, but not more specifically to Hot Wheels. But this particular one on this particular paint job looks really awesome. So when it comes to this paint job, I do have the Miura from Tomica. Tomica also did this Miura homage Aventador. So I do have that Aventador. Unfortunately I bought only one. So I really, after I reached India, my wife told, why you didn't buy two? I usually buy two of everything. I do have two of everything I keep here. So one is for display, another one is for keeping it just safe. In near future, I'm planning to just do a separate room full of cars, like a museum kind of thing. So I need to keep something on the back which is unopened. So for that reason, I'm only Lamborghinis I buy two pieces. Most of the cars which I'm able to afford, and maybe one or two cars apart from Lamborghini I buy like two, if I really love the casting so much. So yeah, so I will be unboxing that Tomica as well, maybe in near future. So I'm planning to unbox a lot of premiums in upcoming weeks once I complete this Hot Wheels and couple of Matchbox I'm having. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.